The Zimbabwean government has been thrown into panic following calls for a national shutdown by outspoken war veteran Blessed Geza, prompting a swift and urgent response from the Public Service Commission ahead of 2-day stay away that begins today. Sanapenda mashikobulani kwa pana vachinzi aiwa Geza osheka kumsoro uko panguva ino iri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa these guys asiri stable nokuda kwemautterances aGeza. Ndoba subscribe or like on the bell icon tipinda pana pamabulani pamuchinzi. This latest shutdown campaign is Geza's boldest attempt yet to force President Mnangagwa out of office. It comes on the heels of last month's spontaneous protest in Harare, the most visible display of dissent in years, during which over 100 people were arrested. Despite those arrests, a warrant for his own arrest, Geza remains defiant, urging Zimbabweans to peacefully stay at home in protest. In a press statement issued late Monday, the PSCC warned civil servants against joining the shutdown, calling it reckless and disruptive incitement and threatens national unity, economic stability, and public institutions. Tuesday and Wednesday are normal working days, the PSCC said, adding that all public servants, unless officially on leave, were expected to report for duty. Participation in any stay away that disrupts service delivery constitutes a dereliction of duty and an act of insubordination. A former Zanu fighter, Geza, has emerged as one of the most vocal critics of Mnangagwa's regime. In recent weeks, he has accused the government of looting public resources, presiding over a collapsing economy, and betraying the ideals of the liberation struggle. Through audio, messages, and social media broadcasts, he has urged citizens, from civil servants and transport operators to students and vendors, to down tools in protest. Thomas Kwanbuda panapa tukonoti album Geza in capacity arikuzama aiwa kuda kuti nyika yeZimbabwe idzokere mureu aiwa asitope zvigananda, but tiri kuona kuti panguva inoi aiwa ma-armed forces ne-public service commission ichibudisa ma-statement aiwa they are trying to fight against Geza kuti aiwa his mission is successful. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu kuti mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like.